Oh, back-to-back wickets. First delivery. It was going too well for the Royals, and the Raiders are fighting back.
This time it's Tayyab Arif going for that big lavish drive, missing the length. And Aseer Mughal gets the wicket on the very first delivery he bowls tonight. Mohammad Tayyab Arif made 26, Bahawalpur Royals 71 for 2.
They were 71 without loss, and they're now 71 for 2.
With your Urdu vocabulary, I think it's sab theek hai. You'll be all right.
Yeah, he said sab theek hai, okay, but that's about it.
That he's not there, will the Royals be able to chase this?
Oh, a little bit of a misfield. Look, it's all set to be such a real good last 10 and a half overs. You can just see that Tayyab Arif, who, let's be honest, has come into this team and done so well. The way that he's bowled in both games, the way that... oh, a little nick. I don't think it carries. There was a definite nick there. All of a sudden now, everything's going right for the Raiders.
That's T20 cricket. One team dominating a couple of wickets, one good over, and it's all changing. Does look like there was a nick, but it fell short of the keeper. So good first over from Aseer Mughal.
Oh, nice. Lovely bowling. Good over again. Good first over. So a wicket and 2 runs. We're halfway. 10 overs gone, 73 for 2, and we're all going to take a drink.
Yeah, shouldn't have been stopped. It was the circle.
Oh, he slipped. Now, we've seen a couple of occasions where that's happened.
Of course, a holiday tomorrow. And that is smart. Nothing fussy about that, just opening the face, waiting for it. That's a shot that was hit hard to backward point. I wouldn't call that misfield. That ball's traveling. He's done well to put hand to it.
Razak would have wanted this just a meter either side of this man, and that would have been racing away to the boundary.
That's a good piece of fielding there, stopping that single. The captain himself got a good bounce. Say by the 15th, say a little more than a couple, gone. Maybe a little earlier. That's a soft dismissal.
Yes, it was. And it's hit right at the end of the bat. If there had been more pace on the ball, probably would have hit it closer to the middle of the bat, and it might have cleared that man. Simple catch in the end. And the Royals continue to fall into deeper trouble. Wickets falling consistently. 67 for no loss has turned into 82 for 4. Ali Razak goes for 5.
That's the slower one. You caught that right. That is why it's more of a stop bat shot. Just chipping that and an easy catch. The batter must be thinking, oh, no, 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 no. Hoping that would just go over him or he doesn't reach.
6 overs. Wow, that's not going to happen. Because he's been bowled through the gap.
I really don't know whose idea it was. Sending us Sajjad Ali up in the order. He's offered a nothing shot. It's just hanging his bat out away from the body, gets an inside edge. If he's your power hitter, you got to swing it. And the way he attempted a similar shot against a spinner, he got a thick edge and got a couple. But this time around, it's the inside part of the bat. Out for 3. Bahawalpur 94 for 5. Straight away off the mark with a single. Equation now. Danish would be the key. Have a look at this. Tell me, what is he doing? Slower ball.
He's been tentative the whole time that he was out there. He wasn't there for long. You referred to that ball from the spinner and that he got the outside edge through the slips Down to third man, he did a very similar thing there. No foot movement, no commitment into the stroke.
He almost played that onto the stumps as well. Jump over a few cameramen as well. No run there, no run there. Had enough run outs already.
But that would work really well for Raiders.
Hard, down the ground. Good shot. And a very good try. Didn't stop the boundary though, I don't think, or did it?
And Mohammad Danish, who has been added in the Royal side, goes down the ground. It was a very good shot. An equally good effort in the field, Ziaullah. But in the end, it did feel like it went directly to the fence.
Yeah, I just tapped it sideways, basically. Slow ball, picked it up, and 4 runs. So there's 2 fours and 2 balls. That's what they need. 1 good over here. That'll really get things a little bit interesting.
And Mohammad Danish, he read the slow one really well. He had a lot of time to choose in which gap he wanted to put it away. And he put it away in style. Bisected that.
Oh, direct hits will be, I think, out. That is a wonderful piece of fielding, that's for sure.
Ahmed Hussain has already started walking. And this is why. It was a brilliant fielding. Arun Arshad at point. And yes, the decision is out. He has to walk back. Unlucky there. Ahmed Hussain goes for 2. Bahawalpur Royals in all sorts of trouble. 107 for 6. That's the other angle. At point, it was a good pickup, good throw. It happened all very quickly for Ahmed. Just look at that. Excellent throw, excellent execution.
Nawab now in the middle. Early call of 2. You might have picked that up through the stump mics. And they canter back quite comfortably with the second. Going with a line across the body, looking to turn on the onside. No connection. Hard into the ground, looking for that 1. They're going to get that quite comfortably. So that's a dozen off over number 16. 1-1-1 for 6.
An excellent spell from Aseer Mughal.